Well, hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, and today I'm so pumped because we're making what is possibly my favorite appetizer ever. Listen, a couple years ago I was at a wedding, and for the wedding they had these delicious little shrimp cocktail appetizers. And I was going around and I was getting more and more of them. I probably had, no joke, at least 50 to maybe 75 shrimp that night. It was insane. I love shrimp cocktail. And if you haven't guessed, we're making shrimp cocktail. That's right, a smoked shrimp cocktail with a homemade smoked cocktail sauce. Sure to be absolutely delicious. We're gonna marinate the shrimp, we're gonna smoke it, we're gonna chill it, and then we're gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be incredible. Can't wait to show it to you, so let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with marinating our shrimp. And to do that, I have here 2 pounds of beautiful red Argentinian raw shrimp. So these are already peeled and deveined, but the tail is on. That's primarily just gonna be for presentation purposes. And these are ready for us to add some ingredients to this bag to get them marinating. So into the bag with my shrimp, first, we're gonna go, this is about 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. These are 2 freshly diced chipotle peppers with a little bit of adobo. And this is 2 cloves of minced garlic. So we're gonna add these 3 things first to our shrimp. Okay, so we'll start with those chipotles, just like that. My garlic and my cilantro. Okay, and we'll just kind of give that a little toss in there. Close this up. Just a little toss. Now, there's no real liquid ingredients in here yet, so nothing's going to, it's not really gonna be a proper marinade yet until we add our final 2 ingredients, which we are ready to do now. And that's gonna be equal parts, which is about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and fresh squeezed lime juice. Now we'll close that up. And now with those liquid components added, we'll just toss these around in the bag. Again, just like on my last video, make sure that you are nice and sealed on your bag there. You don't want to have a big mess like I have had before. So just toss these around just enough to make sure everything gets coated. And now we go into the fridge for 30 minutes with these. And that's going to, again, just like marinating anything, it's going to allow the juices to really absorb. Since the lime is a little bit acidic, it is, believe it or not, going to partially cook these. And so we don't want it to fully cook. So after about 30 minutes of flavor absorption, then we're gonna take them out and we're gonna smoke them. But while these are in the fridge, let's go ahead and make our homemade delicious cocktail sauce. All right, let's go ahead and make this homemade cocktail sauce. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of your favorite ketchup. Does not matter what kind it is, as long as it's Heinz. To that we'll add a little tablespoon of Worcestershire, you know what I mean. We'll add about 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, which in my experience is about 1 whole lime. Next we'll add 2 chopped chipotle peppers. If you like it a little hotter, you can add a 3rd or a 4th or whatever you want. About another tablespoon of cilantro, then about 6 tablespoons of orange juice. Add a little salt, pepper, and then just whisk all that together. Just like that. And let's give it a taste. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Perfect. It's sweet and it's spicy. It's fantastic. Does not, we'll add a little bit more salt. Now, it doesn't need anything. Now we could just go right into the fridge and this would be ready, but I do want to add a little bit of smoke to it. So let's take this over to the smoker. All right, so today I'm smoking this cocktail sauce and these delicious shrimp on my Pit Boss Savannah Onyx Edition. It's available exclusively at Walmart, along with all their other Onyx Edition pellet grills and smokers. You gotta check those out. I'm smoking today using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellet, which is, in my opinion, the most versatile all-around pellet for just about anything that you wanna make, from steaks to desserts to pork to chicken, whatever. It's fantastic. Smoking at a temperature of 250 degrees Fahrenheit today. And so right now, while that shrimp is still marinating, we got about 15 minutes left on that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this the sauce right on the smoker in this bowl and everything, just like this. And it'll be ready around the same time as the shrimp are ready. It's actually ready now. We just want to get some smoke flavor into it. All right, we'll just open up the Savannah and right on it goes, close it up. And then we'll be back with our shrimp in just a few minutes. All right, and it's been 30 minutes and here are our beautiful shrimp. And now we're gonna go onto the Savannah for about 30 minutes. Just like that, until those shrimp are done. Go ahead and give another little mix to our sauce here. And then I'm gonna come out periodically, maybe once every 5 minutes or so, and just do a little brush of melted butter right on top of those shrimp, because you know, everything's better with butter. All right, so I'll do that a few times and then we'll be ready to plate it and try it. All right, it has been 30 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, those shrimp look delicious. Oh yeah, you can tell these guys are done. The color is beautiful. They've absorbed a little tiny bit of brown from that smoke. All right, so now all that's left to do is take all of this off, take it inside, let it cool down, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge, let it chill for a little bit, and then bring it back out, and then we'll plate it up and show you how it looks and how it tastes. All right, we are ready to go, and I could not be more excited. We start with a nice cocktail glass. So this is going to be kind of a margarita glass, but anything sort of like that. And then right in the middle goes that gorgeous homemade smoked cocktail sauce. We'll add a little more there. And then, oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this. Our beautiful smoked shrimp. I must confess, I did try a shrimp already. I couldn't help it. It's my channel, I do what I want. And they are incredible. Do one more right here. Just a teeny touch of salt, teeny touch of pepper, and finally just a little more fresh cilantro. And then we'll just take a little lemon wedge right there, and there you have it. Woo! Look at that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, and I wish you could smell it. I really do. I feel like it's an injustice that you cannot smell this right now. All right, now this recipe would probably make enough for about 3 of these sizes. So if you want to do more, obviously get more ingredients, do more, but this is going to be perfect for today. And I can't wait to try it. So here we go. Let's grab one of these delicious looking chilled shrimp. Let's go into that incredible smoked cocktail sauce. And here we go, smoked shrimp cocktail. Oh man, oh man. Oh, wow, sweet, a little bit of heat, nothing overpowering. That sauce, oh, that sauce makes it. That sauce would be incredible on like some fried shrimp. Woo! It's absolutely delicious, the perfect appetizer. Walk around offering this to your party guests and game over. It's not gonna last long. I mean, what else can be said? But holy smokes, this is delicious. Well, I can guarantee you that less than a minute from this video stopping, all of these shrimp are gonna be gone because it's that good. You gotta try it. But thank you once again for tuning in to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, and make sure that you visit holysmokesbbqchannel.com where you can order my homemade barbecue sauces and rubs. And if you like this video, make sure that you click that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Turn on notifications by clicking the little bell. That way you'll know as soon as new delicious content pops up. And listen, even though this is definitely one of the best appetizers I've ever made here on the channel, you definitely need to check out this playlist of all of the appetizers that I've made so you can find something that'll really be a hit at your next gathering. So check those videos out, and I will see you next time.